Fabrica area rugs, custom made and carved, brought to you by Carpet Empire Plus. All right, here you choose your own design and color palette. Let's do it. A, we're going to go with gray. B, we're going to go with the cream color. And C, we'll go with pink. Let's go ahead and see how we did here. Boom! Designed by Lisa Claiborne Sullivan. Look at the carving on there. Gorgeous color selection. So you get to create your own masterpiece. If you pick more colors, the more expensive the rug's going to be. But boy, does it come out beautiful. Simply choose the colors that best tie your room together. Choose your own pattern that best fits your style. Be the creator by designing your own vision. Just think, you get to materialize your own imagination. So much fun being your own innovator. You really do get to have a lot of fun with these. So many different patterns to choose from. There are hundreds of them. Just think of all the fun you could have. Yeah, just be with your friends, have a night together and start playing with the different color palettes. It's amazing the difference an area rug can make. Fabrica has the largest color selection of all the carpet mills. They really do. And they use a carpet called shea that looks amazing when they do their rugs. So basically the binding can be coordinated to match each shade that's going on that touches the outside. They use a monk's cloth backing. The backing also assists in protecting the often delicate finish of the underlying floor. Basically they hand carve all the surface on whether it's, like I said, shea, the broadloom carpet, they hand carve it. This is an area rug non-skid padding. Goes underneath. Now this is a Kane carpet. Here's a sample swatch, and there it's materialized into the room scene. We did a nice size area rug there. Here's another Kane carpet, just showing you the sample board, and here it is in a bound oval rug. Here's just a 22-foot round area rug made by Kane. And then you have a Stanton Shag here, a 15-foot wide shag. All right, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more, and hit that bell, and we'll have more stuff for you. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.